How to clean and remove filthy, dirty cleaning bucket. In this video, that's what I'm going to show you how to do that in 5 easy steps. Step number 1, we are going to mix our cleaning products. We are going to mix what we are going to use to clean this filthy bucket. As you can see how filthy and dirty it looks. So that is step 1. So this is our Dawn soap and we are just going to pour. I'm gonna pour that in here. And this is our Pine Sol multi-surface cleaner lemon fresh. And we're gonna do 1/2 cup of that. Going to add 1 cup of water. I'm going to use that water to clean these in here and these as well. I'm just gonna mix this. We are going to pour this in our all-purpose spray bottle. Now we have our stain remover cleaning mixture that we are going to use. Step number 2, we are going to wet our cleaning bucket and spray it with our cleaning mixture that we just made and let it sit for a few minutes or 5 minutes. I'm just going to wet. So just spray. Just leave this sit maybe 5 minutes. Step number 3, we are going to put on our glasses and gloves. So just wear your glasses. Like my gloves. Step 4, we are going to scrub our cleaning bucket, make sure all the filth dirt is clean, to remove every filth dirt. And I'm going to wear the brush, just wet it, and then we'll just start it. it a little bit more. See how clean? Look at that. It's all clean. Step 5, we are just going to rinse everything out. Then we have a clean multi-purpose cleaning bucket that we can use continuously on and on and on. And now we're just going to wash this off. Now we can see how much stain, filth that came out, and we are just going to wash this. Rinse. And look at that. Before and now, look at how clean this looks. Now you can use this to do anything else instead of how filthy it was before. That is how easy this is. Now here is our multi-purpose cleaning bucket, looking so clean, so really nice, where you can now use this without worrying about anything because it's clean. Just using a simple ingredient, you are done. And that's it. In this video, I just showed you how you can use High-Sol multi-surface lemon fresh and Dawn dishwashing liquid soap to clean and remove a dirty, filthy cleaning bucket. And you saw how we did it. It was very easy and a very simple 5 easy steps, and it's so easy to do, and I hope this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, leave any comments in the comment section below for me, and if you're wondering how can I clean a dirty or soap scum bathtub in a very simple way, let me show you in this video.